Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be playing MSP, which I haven't played for probably like 2 or 3 months now. I know I keep like recording me playing it after a while, which is probably getting boring, but I have not logged on in so long, so I just thought it'd be fun to do it and record it because that's like what I do now, so yeah. Also, the reason that I haven't been uploading and making videos is because I've been like more on Instagram and doing cheerleading, because I do cheerleading if you didn't know, and practicing my contortion stuff because yeah, I'm a contortionist. Wow, no one cares. Okay, let's get on with this video. This is the kind of password that happens when you've been hacked a lot of times and think that a really long password will change something, but it really does not. Okay, so the background looks really cool, and this is obviously the outfit that I made last and stuff, and yeah, it looks like a pretty cool background, so yeah, I just kind of hope that there's nothing too cool that I really want to buy because I've got like no money, so that's kind of gonna be hard, really hard. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the clothing and see this new theme and like what themes have been. Oh my god, this looks actually lit. I know that's kind of cringe that I just said lit, but you know, this looks so cool. I want this. Oh my gosh. This is for my wish list, honestly. But I feel like I kind of want it to be white for some reason. I don't know why. I just like the black and white kind of feel to things. But no, that actually looks pretty weird. I'm just gonna, yeah, how do you like reset it? I don't know. I'm pretty dumb. I'm just gonna go out and then go back to it because, yeah, I'm smart. Okay, well that looks really cool. So I'm gonna see. I've already got stuff on my wish list. Oh my god, this outfit actually looks so cool. Like, what the hell? How do you? Oh my god. Oh, I should have saved gems because now I want that. Great. This is so cool too. I'm pretty sure I've got that. Yeah, I do. That's back from another theme. So, hey, it's like my kind of hair color, so that's pretty cool. I feel like this is like Melanie Martinez kind of thing. This top here, but like different colors. Um, I feel like, is that like from the Snap? Sorry if I keep saying like, but I just can't help it. But yeah, I feel like that is from the Snapchat filter, but not the other one. Yeah, I've seen this in another theme, so I feel like it's been brought back or something. But yeah, it's like, oh, so is this one. Because I've got that here, but it's in orange. Okay, what's this theme now? Gone, what does that say? Gone camping, and that was Burning Love. I love Burning Love, that's so cool. Okay, let's reset this and see what we want as like, yeah. Okay, so my first look on it, this looks just like a t-shirt that I just bought the other day, the camo kind of look. That's pretty cool, it's like pretty, but yeah, that's quite cool, but it just looks pretty revealing, so yeah. Oh my god, Pixie Star, no one cares about you, honestly. Okay, so I feel like I wouldn't wear any of these things in real life. Oh, that here is really pretty. But yeah, at first when I saw this thing, I thought it was a poo, so not so into that. Don't know what it is, but oh well. Again, some here being brought back from other themes. Well, another theme. I don't know. Jet Set Travel. Okay, this looks interesting. I mean, I don't really see what the point about it is, but yeah, how do you? Okay, I'll be right back. So there isn't many things in this theme that I probably buy, but it is okay. My style, okay. This person looks, yeah, really ugly. Let's just put that out there first. Oh, first, puns these days, even though that was not a pun, but you know, I don't know. Again, the camo, I feel like they should all put that in the same theme because it kind of feels like it should be, but they should make just a camo theme because I feel like that'd be pretty popular. But yeah, I'm not so into the hair. In fact, in none of these, I don't really like the hair. And they have this exact same shirt that they had in the Burning Love theme, so I don't know. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I have that as well. Wait, that here is really pretty. I love that. That is so pretty. Like, and maybe like that color. That's like everything. Wait, how much was that? $600. I'm gonna save up for that because I love that. That's from another theme, I know for sure, because like everyone's worn that. I love these shoes as well. They're from I've got that. I love it. They like stole them from other themes though. I don't know. It's probably just normal. Something I've got these two as well. But yeah. I remember how popular this here used to be, and I like always thought, why is it so popular? I don't like it. But now I realise that it actually is pretty cute. Got that necklace too. Pretty sure I stole it off my friend. Oh wait, maybe she gave it to me. I don't know. I've got that too, but I'm pretty sure I gave it away. And I might have those jeans. I don't know. Definitely got the fishnets. My friend and me traded them. 1990s baby. Okay, well, there's nothing I like in the old-fashioned kind of places, so I'm gonna skip out of that one. Somewhere in the city. I just want to go see how many I've missed. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I saw baby bats, and yeah, I can't be bothered looking at all of the other ones, but I'm gonna go over to my favorite theme that there was. Well, it's like Melanie Martinez. Oh, cool. It was like one of the. Is it? Oh, creepy cute. I remember I bought this look here. I loved it so much. Yeah, I was addicted. Um, and yeah, so I'm gonna actually go restyle myself because I've changed and I don't want to wear the same clothes forever, so I'm going to change them. So let's just take our things off and just like, just strip. I'm gonna keep my little tattoo thing on. But let's go here first and see what hair I have. I remember getting that and then I was like, oh my gosh, I regret the green because like it looks like parsley and I'm not even joking. I remember these rares, those were like, I was so excited to get them. But yeah, I love this hair. Oh, this was my favorite hair and I don't know why I put it in purple, but I just like love that color. I was so much younger then. Um, yeah, I remember those days when I had like all this pink hair. I don't have many hairs, I just realized that. Sounds really weird, but yeah, some of these would have been so much cuter in different colors. Like, I don't know why I ever bought that. That was gems. Expensive. And so was this. And it's like so ugly. I find it so ugly now. And this, I don't get why I bought it. I mean, I guess it's okay, but. And this, like, for real, this is disgusting. But I bought it. I'm so weird. Okay, so accessories. I'm gonna keep that here on because I quite like it. I don't want that. I'm gonna put my cap on. Nope, I don't want that. Yes, thank you. Oh, do I have any other accessories? I don't. Those hoops are pretty cool. I think. My choker. I love that. I remember I always used to wear these sunglasses. I'm gonna go like all out with the jewelry. I love the tear, but I feel like it kind of makes me look slightly weird. I love the socks too. What the hell are those? Oh, I think they were from that calendar, weren't they? Okay, well, I was so excited when I got them. I've got like no shoes. If you know me, then you'd know that. But yeah, I'm gonna take this teardrop off because it's really annoying me. I feel like it's just something that's been like misplaced or something. How do you? I can't click. Oh great, I knew that would happen. Now I'm balls. Oh well. Oh wait, I just. What did I do? Oh my gosh. Really? Okay. Let's go get my hair back. Wait, let's just try some other ones on while I'm here. Don't like that. I'm like, I always use the same hairs now. It's kind of weird. But I don't care because I am weird. So, what pants should I wear? I feel like in real life I would wear them probably the most. But, yeah, do I want fishnets? I don't really feel like wearing fishnets at the moment. Oh, it's my cheerleading skirt, isn't it? Okay. Okay, I've got them brown. Those quite cute, I guess. I mean, are they? I don't know. I feel like they. Oh, I remember getting them. I got them as a gift. Like, I would never wear them in real life at all. I mean, most people wouldn't, but yeah. So I'm liking my theme at the moment. Looks pretty like black and white like usual, and I think it's pretty cute. I got gifted that. It was something weird. I don't like it at all. But yeah, I love that. Just like memories, guys, memories. You know, oh, I used to be so into the grey stuff. Now I just like don't give a damn about grey. I love that. I loved all these things really. I like that, but it doesn't feel like it doesn't really go. That's pretty cute. Probably gonna wear that, but you know, all these like memories. It's crazy, crazy. That was cringe. Oh well, I kind of wanna wear this because like I'm just going to deal with it, guys. Okay, no, I feel like I look like some kind of hip hop dancer. I really do, don't I? I don't like it. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking this look. Now I'm gonna wear my jumpsuit thing. I would never wear fishnets in real life, so I feel like I should just take them off. I still feel like a hip hop dancer. Maybe it's my hair. I don't know. Is it the cat? I don't know. Guys, this is really annoying me. It must be low for me, please. Okay, everything I put on makes me look like a hip hop dancer. Not even funny. Should I just stick with that? I feel like I should go with my own hair color. Yeah, I like that. It's more natural because it's like more me, you know? You know? You know? Okay, what should I do now? Okay guys, so I have nothing else that I really want to say or do, so I'm just gonna leave this video here. So thanks for watching, and yeah, bye!